At Transganization, our purpose is to infuse spirituality into business. Everything we do is rooted in this purpose. It is what drives us each day. Over the past 6 years, we have had the opportunity to work with hundreds of organizations across the country and do just that. Using our unique and tested 8-stage Parivartan methodology, we help businesses transform themselves and the way they transact with the world. There is only one way an organization can become perpetual: through the power of purpose. We help entrepreneurs discover this infinite source of energy and use it to drive their organizations. Having identified the spiritual core of the organization, it is now time to discover a sustainable competitive advantage. Organizations have moved past traditional cost leadership or differentiation models to truly creating value for customers. Therefore, understanding the customer's mind has now become more crucial than ever. Today's needs call for an exponential model. Every business model is based on a financial model. Sustainable businesses need to be profitable. Using templates and technology, we enable entrepreneurs to precisely track their organization's financial stability. In the next stage, we help organizations map and improve their processes and systems. Frictionless experiences in frictionless organizations are already in our world. Is your organization ready to be frictionless? Using our Talent Factory approach, we help businesses understand the power of collaboration and find the perfect balance of in-house and agile talent. The last stage is the culmination of the previous steps. All the pieces come together to form a neural network, an important tool for entrepreneurs. Through Transganization's Parivartan methodology, organizations can truly begin their transformation journeys and live their purpose.